Good afternoon, world. No, come with me. Yeah. So, this is my best friend, Liz.
Hi.
She was in my other video, but we're obviously gonna be vlogging a little more because. Just because. And we're gonna have a little girls' day in LA, so nothing crazy, you know, go get lunch, maybe shop, get some dessert, maybe, you know, be a little frisky.
Yeah. Maybe a dirty martini here and there.
Yeah, no, these are our outfits. So these are my shorts. This is my dad's shirt, and then these are some boots. It's giving rocker chick, even though I'm not, and then, oh, let's focus on you, okay. And these are my sunnies. And then this is her outfit.
This is my outfit, just a little lace number and black shorts, loafers, just going for a little grungy gothy vibe.
You know, grungy gothy. And also, if anyone wants this painting in the back, I'm getting rid of it, so.
Let us know.
Let us know, I want it out of here ASAP. Obviously, we have to say hi to the kitten.
Hi. I was licking my pee-pee. Bye. Bye.
And no one better ask me to name 3 songs. Nobody. Sweating like a pig. Sweating. Oh my god. It's so fucking hot today. Cheers.
Why do we want to put $2,000 into that place? Like, they don't even fix, like, I don't care at this point. I don't even care anymore. I'm not putting $1 back into that place.
It's one of those places that it's like you come here to drink, you eat like food, chicken, and you don't even notice how sticky it is. It's kind of sticky. It kind of has like, you know what, it doesn't actually smell that bad today, but like at night.
Yeah, I know which smell you're talking about.
It's like that smell of alcohol, fries, and regret.
Can't really fuck one up.
To the next destination. We're summering. She literally was in the corner right there and she's like, whatever, I'm summering.
It's true.
I mean, yeah. But we're gonna go visit my friend Mike, and he works at this really cutesy place. I've never been, so.
All I saw was the oysters and I said, I'm in.
I'm in. I saw a little ceviche crudo situation. Yeah, that looks good. We're in an Uber. Oh, great. Thank you so much.
Elizabeth?
I'm Mocha.
As soon as the dirty martini touches my lips, I turn into a different human.
I love agua chile. It's like my favorite thing.
That cocktail, I think is too.
Can I try it?
It's strong.
Let me taste it again. I think it's too herbaceous.
It's too herbaceous. It is kind of herbaceous.
It's very botanical.
It's like a salsa.
Oh, wow.
It smells.
It smells
literally
delicious. Wow. She's like, I don't like it.
You love it though, huh?
I like it.
Yeah,
I don't like
there's
it.
people that come in for that drink.
It's like I feel like I have hair on my chest now.
The conte I get almost every single shift ever. That's my
Okay,
favorite thing on the
this is our
inside.
first course.
That is really light, the atún de conte. It's 4 little pieces of Mexican version spicy tuna crispy rice.
I want to do one oyster.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
We have a West Coast, which will be sweeter, and an East Coast.
She wants
East
a
Coast.
singular oyster.
Get it prepared.
As the chef prepares. Ole.
Put in the lime on it. Oh gosh. It doesn't focus when I need it to effing focus. You're gonna like it. You like limey,
I love lime.
spicy.
I like everything. What?
I have an open sore in my mouth. Don't tell anyone. But it kind of just like stung me.
Have kids.
Yeah, no, I could never do that. Ew. It's so gross.
No, I mean like, you know,
Yeah.
if you were to have kids, you just
Like the style, you like something spirit forward, that's the best.
the shrimp is really good.
So good.
What do you think about this?
Really good.
I thought it was great.
But the scallop is not like super.
We're dying of laughter because we were talking about our Halloween costumes last year. I was Sandy from SpongeBob, but I made it sexy. And she was
It was literally a gothic bride.
she came in a lace dress, all the hands, the back, all long, and just blood. And we were trying to put your fangs on.
Yeah, they didn't.
They
didn't
kept
take-
falling
they
off,
didn't
and
take
she was like, "God damn it!" It was so funny. After being out in the town, I don't even want to wash my face. I just need to like hop in the shower. Let's be honest, as delicious as the food was in that beautiful restaurant, little aguachila did not get me full. I am starving, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna make myself and call it a night because I am exhausted. I just feel like I've been outdoors way too long. Mama. He gets his little like outdoor time by the window. I like literally don't have groceries. I have to go grocery shopping. It's not even funny. I'm also like hungry, but not that hungry. Ah. Anywho, I did my skincare, I showered, and I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore out. So there's that. Good night.